Hi, this is Lisa with Jolly Campers. So we have just moved into our fifth wheel recently, and we have been having a problem. Even when we are level, our bedroom door will not stay open. It's highly annoying. So I'm going to turn this around here so you can see. So this has been our solution so far, is just putting a basket in front of the door, and as soon as we remove the basket, the door starts to close. And it's really annoying trying to bring laundry or anything up there. So we did some research and we found this little magnetic set on Amazon, and I'll put a link below. It seems like it's really easy to do, and I've had a lot of great reviews about it. So I'm going to turn this over to John now for the technical end of it.
Hey everybody, so this little magnetic doorstop, so when you open it up, you have your little instructions here. You get two of these magnetic door locks, so this is the second one. Okay, basically it comes apart like this, so you can install it on the floor, so you can install it down on the floor so that it has a side catch, or you can install it into the wall so it has an end catch. Now, according to their documentation, this is the more harder to pull apart, and it is a little bit harder to pull apart than the side. For us, we did a floor installation, so it also comes with, and if you need to, if you know whatever, you can use the little pads, so you can install the pad onto here, pull it apart, stick it
So that
on
it's
the
sticky
thing
instead of screws.
instead of screws. It does come with sets of screws for you to mount into with anchors, so that if you have a holy wall or whatever, you know, if you don't have a stud or anything to go into. So we decided to do it into the floor because down underneath the carpet should be some plywood, so that should give us a nice solid base into there, and I can just directly screw in. So if you want to walk in here. So basically what we did was we just laid down the piece, and along the area where we wanted to go in, and this part here, I had to just get a drill and unscrew that. Okay, make sure you leave that screw in, because that's how you screw that back in. And then I just laid that down there, and 3 screws down into the thing to mount it directly into the floor, right through the carpet, right into the underlaying right there, and that mounts. That screw is up, and then all I do is take my part, and you have to just find the hole there. And you get it screwed in. And unfortunately, I tried a lot of different ways. I wasn't able to get it exactly, flush that way, but I was able to turn it there. That's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. So the trick then was how to do this piece here up on the door. Hello, Pepper. Say hello. So that was a little tricky. So what I ended up doing was I just basically took the part and attached it there. Hello again, Pepper. And I attached it there, and I basically slid the door over and used my fingers underneath to kind of hold it, and then pull it back enough where I could get a marker in and mark a screw. And once I got a screw marked, I was able to install 1 screw. So just put 1 screw in, and then bring it back over and line it up, make sure it's hitting your mark. Once you know that it's hitting your mark, you can pull it back apart, and you can do a second and second screw. Once you've got 2 screws in, then the 3rd screw just goes in. And that's pretty much it. It's not really hard. It was took me maybe 10 minutes to do this. And that's it. And now we've got a magnetic hold on the door.
Yeah, now the door stays nice and open, and I don't have to have my little basket system down there to put in the way anymore. So anyway, hope that helps you guys, and jolly camping. Bye.